Hello my dear customer, how are you? Today I just want to introduce our hot sale, the popular series of the CNC LATHE tools. And first, I would like to introduce one by one. Please have a look at this. This is the Collet. As you can see, all the CNC machines need the Collet, like the ER16, ER32, and ER25, and also the ER40. Very different sizes of the ER Collet. Also, we have other Collet and trucks. So please have a look at this. This customer order, this is the complete set. So you can see the box, all the series from the 1 to 22. So you can see different sizes of the Collet and also some different sizes. Please have a look at. This one is the 6, the ER25, 6. This one is the 17. This one is the 12. So you can see different sizes from the big to small. This is just the Collet. Also, please have a look at this. This is the tool holder. Please have a look. This is the tool hold devices. You can see this model is the BD40, mainly used for the BD40 and also the tool holders. You can see this one from here to fix the tool holder, and also use these devices just used in the LATHE tools for the machining. Please have a look at this. So this one, you can see this is the spanner. Some customers also looking for the spanner. This one is the ER25 spanner, and this one is the ER32 spanner. So different sizes of the spanners we have for supply. If you're also looking for the Carbide, the tools, and also the CNC spare parts, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.